Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for you where we'll be comparing two popular kitchen appliances, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the CHEFMAN Air Fryer. We'll be taking a closer look at their features, functionality, and overall performance. So, if you're in the market for a versatile cooking companion, stick around as we dive deep into this comparison. And don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. Let's get started. Both the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the CHEFMAN Air Fryer offer a wide range of cooking options. With the Vortex Plus, you can air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. On the other hand, the CHEFMAN Air Fryer allows you to air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and roast. While both appliances provide versatility, the CHEFMAN Air Fryer takes it a step further with its additional rotisserie function. When it comes to technology, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus features Even Crisp technology, which ensures a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. On the other hand, the CHEFMAN Air Fryer uses rapid air heating elements for fast, even, and crispy cooking. Both appliances deliver impressive cooking performance, but the Vortex Plus Even Crisp technology gives it an edge in terms of consistency and texture. When it comes to simplicity in cooking, both appliances have their strengths. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus comes with customizable one-touch smart programs, making it easy to prepare specific dishes like wings, vegetables, and desserts. Similarly, the CHEFMAN Air Fryer offers 17 preset options along with a user-friendly capacitive touch control screen. Whether you're a novice or an experienced cook, both appliances provide intuitive and straightforward operation. If you're cooking for a larger family or need to prepare meals in bulk, the CHEFMAN Air Fryer takes the lead with its extra-large 10-liter capacity. It's perfect for family-sized meals and meal prepping. Additionally, the CHEFMAN Air Fryer comes with 3 airflow racks, a stainless steel rotisserie oven spit and forks, a stainless steel rotating basket retrieval tool, and a drip tray. While the Instant Pot Vortex Plus offers ample space for 4-6 servings, the CHEFMAN Air Fryer's accessories make it a versatile and convenient choice. Both appliances offer easy cleanup options. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus comes with a non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Likewise, the CHEFMAN Air Fryer features removable drip trays and dishwasher-safe parts, simplifying the cleaning process. In terms of safety, both appliances have built-in safety features like overheat protection. Rest assured that your safety is a top priority with either choice. And that concludes our comparison between the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the CHEFMAN Air Fryer. Both appliances offer fantastic features and cooking capabilities. While the Instant Pot Vortex Plus shines with its Even Crisp technology, the CHEFMAN Air Fryer impresses with its rotisserie function and larger capacity. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video was helpful in guiding you towards the right decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment telling us your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.